Hi, this is Asian Zen Beauty. We specialize in providing mind, body, spirit healing to support you. The best time to meditate is right after waking up or before going to sleep. Practice consistently for 7 days, and you will feel inner peace and experience a transformation in your life.
True self-affirmation always comes from a spiritual vision, a clear realization of your true inner self after transcending many external images and limitations. Then, you will develop a gentle yet resilient power to accept and affirm yourself. Sit down comfortably or lie down and gently close your eyes. Focus on your breath and take 3 slow breaths, allowing yourself to inhale gently and then exhale slowly each time. Gradually, let your breathing return to a smooth and natural rhythm. As you breathe, your body and mind also begin to relax. Your brow unfurrows, your brain relaxes, your facial muscles relax, your limbs relax, and your shoulders and arms relax in harmony with your overall relaxation. Now, let go of all thoughts. Just breathe naturally in this stillness. If any thoughts arise, that's okay. Just return to your breath, feeling this deep relaxation. As you relax more and more, your awareness also deepens. Now, with a moment of visualization, imagine a giant star above your head, shining with a silver-white light, radiating energy that pulses like a heartbeat, so sacred and alive, vast and boundless. It is filled with vitality. In your life, the energy radiated by this giant star supports the existence of countless other stars, planets, and satellites, like a spiritual sun that nourishes these celestial bodies, life, and energy. You feel drawn by a powerful force of love and energy, naturally guiding you closer to this great star. You have now reached the star. It is right beside you, and you are bathed in its powerful energy of love. You breathe naturally, inhaling the light and love energy of the star slowly. And with each exhale, you release all negative emotions bit by bit, gradually feeling yourself becoming one with the star. You are surrounded by the star's immense, gentle love, resonating with your body and mind. You feel a surge of harmonious, serene, peaceful, and joyful energy flowing into you. Everything is so calm and beautiful, and you feel deeply loved, safe, and unconditionally supported. Our inner world is an endless, vast, and radiant universe. You and the beauty and light of this great star are inseparable because your inner being already possesses this beauty and light. You and the star's energy come from the same source. Now, all you need to do is feel it and experience it. Very good. Everything is unfolding perfectly. In this moment, send all blessings, warmth, and love to yourself. You deserve to experience all the beauty in life, to have and fulfill your dreams, and to become the person you want to be. Allow yourself to relax, to make mistakes, to grow, to learn to enjoy, to be deeply loved by others, to live with ease, to bloom, and to shine your unique light. Give yourself some time and take a moment to silently express gratitude to yourself, quietly caring for and accompanying yourself. Now you can gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Thank you, and congratulations on allowing and accepting yourself a bit more. Gradually bring the light of your inner star into your reality. Remember, there is infinite power there that is our true source. Blessings to you, and I love you.
During a difficult time, I found some videos that provided me with direction and calm. I hope this content brings you the same comfort and reminds you that you're not alone. For more, click the link in the comments below.